Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how to create QR code for a Google form. See here, this is the Google form I created and as an example for the teachers to give assignment for the students, or not even an assignment, any internal exam. So how you can create a QR code for this exact Google form, and so that whoever scans this QR code, this page gets opened. So it is very simple, less than a minute you can do that. And if you want to know how you can create such type of Google form, I'll drop a link in the description. I already did a tutorial video on this, you can go through that. So on your browser you can browse through qrstuff.com. see here, this website www.qrstuff.com. say here we will create this Google form QR code. So just select your URL and copy this Google form URL and visit the website, and here you can find something like website URL. Tap on this, just paste the URL and click on next step, and you can choose the shape. Module shape is okay for me, and this is the generated QR code. What I'll do is I'll click on download as PNG, and once it is downloaded to your computer or laptop, see here, this is the actual QR code for that Google form. Okay, this is the QR code generated for that Google form created. What I'll do is I'll open my phone and scan this code and check whether it is working or not. Yeah, I am on my phone, and I'll open Google Lens to scan the QR code what I have just generated on my laptop. See here, I'll click on the search with camera, and I'll place my camera scanner to the QR code what I have generated, and there is a URL on that. I'll just click on that URL. So my aim, or it should load up the Google form what we have given as the website URL. See here, just by scanning that QR code, this particular Google form is loaded. So the students will fill up and click on this send to the